Onions make you cry. Why? I'll tell you. But first, hit that like button for more science videos! Onions contain a chemical called syn-propanethiol. This chemical is found in all parts of the onion, but it's especially concentrated in the onion skin. When you cut into an onion, you release this chemical. And when it comes into contact with your eyes, it reacts with the water in your eyes to form hydrochloric acid. That's what causes the burning sensation and the tears. But why do onions have this chemical? Well, it's their defense mechanism against predators. The chemical is toxic to most animals, so it deters them from eating the onion. Humans can eat it, but we're not most animals. We're special. We're the only ones who can. So next time you're chopping up onions and your eyes start watering, just remember, you're not alone. All the other animals are crying too. They just can't show it.